Hi guys, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how I connect my tubes for the river. So when you first get your tube, there will be no rope on the tube whatsoever. I don't have a brand new tube to show you, but I'm going to do my best with the one I have. It'll come with a patch and a long length of rope. Then you're going to want to get scissors and we're going to cut about 26 inches in length of pieces of rope, and you're going to loop them on each of the knobs of the tube. And try to do this before you get to the river, maybe the night before at home. That way, once you're out there, all you have to do is connect the tubes with the carabiner. Then you just loop it through, and I usually try to tie it 3 times. I don't know any fancy knots, but if you do, then go for it. I just tie it 3 times just to ensure that it won't come loose. Do this on majority of the knobs on all of your tubes. That way, once you get out there, it'll be really easy to just connect it with the carabiner. Another quick tip is to write your name on it somewhere in Sharpie. I also like to get a duct tape and then write on the duct tape. And this is what it looks like on the water. We're all connected, and then we also connect ourselves in some way to the middle cooler tube. Then when it's time to get out or for rapids to disconnect, it's as simple as that. Hit that subscribe button if you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!